Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we did get the pullback back onto the structure I was looking for yesterday, but yeah, we kind of come back to it and we're flirting with it again. So it would almost be worthwhile looking for the next level, but the next level is fairly far down, and that's pretty much down here at 36.60. And below that, obviously, an even stronger level, which will be 36.43. So if we just shoot across to the 3-hour, the trend is still very much to the upside. It does look like we are consolidating, and I'll show you that on the hour. We're back in this area. In this area, there's quite a bit of support here, but we kind of did close below it on the hour. I'll show you that now, this level here. So yeah, that was an entry for a long, was kind of short-lived to the open. Looked like it was going to continue, but then it sort of fell off, and nothing really here except for the fact that we are back in this area or this zone, and it does look like we're consolidating. I don't expect it to break through big support like this during the Asian session, but could be during the European session. Okay, so firstly, let's just have a look. So we had a pullback onto structure. There it was there. That was your entry long. Stop was pretty much been below, as I said yesterday, below here or below there, and it kind of ranged about and then climbed a bit and ranged and climbed a bit, but it basically ground to the upside. What it was looking for was that inside tail there, and you can see as we got there, we had 2 hours there, and then we fell off. Okay, so what I do want to do is I just want to get rid of that. Let's get rid of that one, and let's get rid of that one as well. Right, so what I want to highlight here, is the following. There we go. So we are consolidating just above a pretty big level. It's a weekly level. I think it's actually a monthly level as well. It's the previous month close. So we are hovering around there, and I would expect us to have another attempt at clearing it. So I'm still looking for longs. We'll have to wait and see what transpires in this zone here, but if it does break to the downside, I would expect it to come back and test this area before rejecting this area. Okay, so this area that we're talking about is pretty much between 36.82 and 36.77. That's kind of the area that I'm expecting support to be found. And it is Tuesday, so you know, no longer the sleepy Monday. Let's see what happens, but I'm still of the opinion we're looking for opportunities to buy, and this is still another opportunity to buy. We'll just wait for the European session and see what transpires. But obviously now, for the continuation of the upside, we're looking for a break of this trend line, and just to be safe at this stage, we're looking to break 36.95. 36.95 we need to break, and then we're looking for 3700 and then 3800. Ultimately, I'm still looking for 4,000, and looking at a Christmas rally starting to kick off fairly soon. Okay, so that's kind of me for today. Obviously, we still don't have any news on stimulus. We've got a lot of noise around coronavirus. I haven't heard anything more about vaccines in the US market at the moment, although the first lot of vaccines have been distributed and given to people in the UK. So yeah, I think there's a lot of stuff brewing at the moment, so you have to be patient here and wait for the right structure. But my opinion on the S&P, we're kind of in an area of right structure. The only thing that could put you off is that daily bar. That is a piercing pattern. So we gapped up above the previous day and we closed in the 50% range of the previous day. That's normally a bearish signal. But for me, on the US markets, I'd want to see a second bearish signal or a second low before looking for a bigger level to the downside. Okay, so for me, that's kind of my plan today. Looking to buy in this area again. Obviously looking for the trend line to the upside. If that breaks, then we're looking to hold that position a little bit longer. Okay, anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.